Well, g'day guys, Mark here from Rockarmor, and this is my 2020 Mitsubishi MR Triton, which I use as a daily driver and my weekend getaway car. Today I'm going to give you guys a walk around my vehicle and just show you guys some of the accessories that I've installed onto the vehicle. Starting up the front, we've got a Rockarmor GT bull bar paired up with a Rockarmor 12,000 pound winch with a set of Rockarmor 9-inch spotties. And this is also the Rockarmor frontal pack available online at most stores around Australia. I've custom painted the bar with a two-tone finish, with the bottom part of the vehicle leaving it the same colour as the car and leaving the top hoops black. I've mounted up the winch control box at the top of the bull bar for easy access. Now that powers up the 12,000 pound winch, which has been loaded up with 28 metres of synthetic rope. It also comes with a wireless controller and a normal hand controller which can be plugged right into the control box. Now before I applied all these accessories to the vehicle, this vehicle was actually involved in a serious accident where I was washed away down a river, as you can see from this photo right here. I wish that I had all these modifications installed on the vehicle, including the Safari snorkel. Tyres. Well, before I quickly get into tyres, I'm going to talk about the suspension, which I've installed on the vehicle to fit these tyres. And that is Dobinson's IMS, front and back, with Tough Dog up control arms. The shocks are loaded up with a rated spring, which can hold the weight of the bull bar, winch, and lights in the front. For tyres, I'm using Nito Ridge, and I've fitted a 285/70 R17 rolling on fuel wheels. For side protection, of course I went with Rockarmor, and I've got the Rockarmor rock slider side steps. These come with a dual rail, one rail sticking right underneath the door seal and another rail out here providing a great step for me to get in and out of the car. Roof rack. Well, I've got myself a roller Titan tray and it's sitting on a pair of Rockarmor low mount legs. And on the front, I've got a steady 41-inch light bar. Okay, tub rack. So I've got a front runner tub rack on the back of my vehicle. I used to have a custom made tub rack. However, I needed something with a little bit more surface area, and the front runner one offered great surface area to fit my rooftop tent or camping gear, boxes, whatever you like. Now in the back of my tub, now I'm not going to actually show you guys because it's a little bit dirty and there's scrap everywhere. However, I've got a 12 volt Rockarmor battery box which powers up my full 12 volt system, and I've got a brass monkey fridge right in the back there. Now all these accessories that you see on my vehicle are available online and in store at Aussie OffRoad. They also offer great combo deals where you can save a bit of coin, as well as fitting services and delivery services straight to your door. So if you want to modify your Triton right now, jump online to aussieoffroad.com.au and use the vehicle search right here, and that will jump you straight to the page where you find all these accessories.